how to generate these AI images using Google AI Studio. Now you can go to Google and search for Google AI Studio, click on it, and this is the interface. What we want to do is that we want to go to generate media right here on the top left hand side, and then we're going to click on Imagen. Okay, this is the one, guys. Click on it and then just describe your image. You can use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to come up with a interesting prompt. For example, I'm gonna write an image prompt of young, beautiful Asian women. As an example, okay, you can use your imagination what kind of photos or images you want to generate. So I will use DeepSeek to get a cool prompt so I don't have to think. So this is a great prompt. I'll just copy this, come back to Google AI Studio, and then I will paste the prompt in this section. Here, the aspect ratio, you can change it 9 by 16, 16 by 9, and the number of results you can change to 2, 3, or 4. They only can allow you up to 4 results. Now this is very similar to Google FX if you don't know already. So we're gonna just click on run, and it will generate 4 different images for us. You can see the running time right here. I think this is faster than most. Look at it. It's not even 5 seconds. It is faster than most AI tools out there, and obviously there's no watermark. That's what I love. And look at these images. It's astounding, right? It's very, very cool. I particularly like this one. Okay, this one is very awesome. Now I'm gonna generate new ones. And by the way, you can add like anime style, fantasy, cyberpunk, just for fun. An image prompt of cyberpunk gorilla. We're gonna use this prompt and look at the result. Okay, we're gonna see the details, the result of Google AI Studio. I'm just gonna copy this, come back here, and run it. Okay, we're gonna see the results. Alright, just 10 seconds. You can see these are the results. I mean, they're pretty good, not bad at all. I will show you on the screen. And let's say we wanna sell a product. Okay, we wanna sell a product. So let's say I have a hamburger and I wanna generate an image of a beautiful young woman eating the hamburger. So let's say I am a restaurant owner and I have a hamburger and I will use that hamburger as the product. Doesn't matter what product you have. Maybe you have water bottle product. You can use like a young Asian woman or a young woman, whatever it is, to hold the product that you are promoting. So this is gonna be an interesting play, and we're gonna see what it's going to come out with. So just click on run. You just wait less than 10 seconds and it will give you the results. It's very, very interesting, guys. See, under 8 seconds. Look at this. Amazing. Now if we try to run it again, and we're gonna see if the image is totally different or it's still similar. Okay, I want to see it. I hope they give like very, very different images. Okay, it's pretty much look the same, but I like this one though. This one is pretty good. So let's say we're gonna change the prompt. I'm gonna change to Japanese women sell the pool on the beach. Alright, I'm gonna paste it here, and let's see what we get. By the way, you can see here, this is the only model that we can use. There is no new model yet, but so far is very, very good. Okay, this is nice. Okay, I come up with a new prompt. I want to see different faces. This is the cool thing about AI. You can just keep generating it until we like the images, and we'll see if the face is totally different now. Yeah, I love this one much better. Did you see that? Wow, amazing guys, amazing. Let's run it again and see different results. Now I want to do on the bar. Let's see what's gonna happen on the bar. Well, it looks a little bit weird though. Last prompt, we're gonna use last prompt for this. Maybe we'll change the burger into something else. Okay, this one takes 10 minutes long. Well, it's pretty good, not bad, but I don't really like the dress though. Okay, last one. This is a water bottle, holding a water bottle. All right. They put my name wrong, bro. Look at this, double D. I don't have double D, man. I have one D only. Wow, look at this. I particularly like this too. Look at this. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. If you guys have any products, any kind of products, you wanted someone to hold it for you, you want an artist, you can use this image, AI image, to promote, you know, your products. You can use image, you can even use video. They have videos. When we're gonna talk about Google AI Studio using videos, and we're gonna talk it on the next video. So make sure you like this video and subscribe for more. Like this video, comment down below what you generated, do you like it? And in the next video, we're gonna make a video form. There's actually a video version of Google AI Studio. We're gonna test it in the next video. By the way, this is capped though. They have only maybe a few generations, maybe around 50 or something. You cannot do this unlimitedly, but you know, the result, the quality is pretty good. You can, you know, use different email addresses to get more and more generation if you want to. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.